Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add accessibility shortcuts button in Control Center using iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using our iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Control Center, then tap. Then after that, in the Control Center, find the accessibility shortcuts under the more controls and tap the positive sign located on the side of it, just like this. After you tap the positive button, your accessibility shortcuts will now appear on the included controls. And if you want to check it, if it is already included in your control center, just swipe down the right side of your screen. And as you will see, this is the accessibility shortcuts button. And that's it, we have successfully added accessibility shortcuts button in Control Center on iPhone X. If you have a question, you can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!